Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a little update on the gossip quest that I did yesterday, which is the matching set with Bob. So I think for gossip quests, you get the reward like the next day. So this is what I got. If I go to watch and I go to my mailbox, there's the matching mic. Here's the mic recipe I promised. Told you I'd be quick as a rocket. Hope I get to hear you hold a concert at your place someday. So the item we got before this was a speaker. So let's claim it and learn the content. And this is what you'll need to craft. I don't think I have enough, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I don't have enough ores, but you are able to then craft a mic. I'm not sure if there's any functional thing to it. I don't think so because last time, well, yesterday, the speaker did absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna guess this does absolutely nothing as well. But yeah, that is pretty much the update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.